Good day everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you Geology of Abuja Shapefile. So the geological map of Abuja, we have converted it to shapefile which can be easily used. So today I want to take you through the shapefile. Geology of Nigeria is managed or mapped by an agency called Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. So you can go online and read about their functions. They are into geological mapping, mineral exploration, and geotechnical drilling. And this is the map of Abuja. The geological map of Abuja as gotten from the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. During the conversion of this map, one of the challenges we face is a little variation in coding. For example, if you look at this geological units, this very geology or rock is coded as X. As you can see it here, this is X. However, when we go to the legend, that one represented as X is now M here for Mabu. So you can see that S in the on the map has now turned to M. These are little variations and challenges we face during conversion of this map. However, we try as much as possible to adhere strictly to the source data, which is NGSA. So now we have converted it to shapefile. If we go to any of the GIS software, I'm using ArcGIS. This is the geological map of Abuja that we have converted to shapefile. If I right click on this layer and open the attribute table, we can see different fields. We have geology and we have codes. This code is as used by the NGSA, and also the geology name as also used by Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. So we try as much as possible to follow what they did. Our own is just the conversion to shapefile so that it can be easy for researchers or anybody who want to use to produce his or her own geological map to do so. So now let's right click again and come to properties. Then instead of single symbol, let's go to categories, and I want to categorize using the geology and click on add all value. You can see, then click on OK. So this is the geological map of Abuja, and you can see the names here. And also there is a standard for color, so you can check the color used by NGSA and change each rock unit to the official color. So each rock unit has its own color officially. It's like migmatite, it has its own color. So but as in essence, I just want to show you the conversion of this geological map to shapefile. And what is the essence? For example, let's assume you are working at AMAC, that is Abuja Municipal Area Council, this area, and you need the geological map of this area. So it will be easier for you to just cut out your study area. For instance, if you need this, just come to geoprocessing and you see clip. So here the input feature will be the Abuja geology. Then the clip feature will be your study area, in this case AMAC. Then you can just specify where you want to save it. Let's save it here as AMAC Geology. Click on save and click on OK. So what we are doing is just to cut out our area of interest, which is this area AMAC. Yes, the clipping is done, so we can uncheck this bigger one. So you can now right click and zoom to layer. This is our area of interest. Now if you right click and open the attribute table, you can see that everything in the original or the bigger data is also here. So you can see it here. So now close this. If you want to use it to produce your geology map, the geology map of AMAC, just right click and open the properties. Come under symbology. Instead of single symbols, let's go to categories. You can actually categorize using the code. Click on add all value and click on OK. This is it, using code. You can see all the code as used by Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. And you can also categorize using the geology name. Click on properties again. Come here, change it to geology and click on add all value. Click on OK. You can see the geology name of AMAC, different rock types. So you can now take this to layout and produce your geology map. Layouts. So let me choose a template from here. I'm using landscape. Click on finish. So you can change the orientation here. Come to page and print setup. So instead of portrait, let's choose landscape and click on OK. So you can see you can now adjust the map elements and add other map elements. Add all the elements you want to add and export your map. Click on file and click on export map. Let's just call it AMAC. Click on save. If we go to that folder, this is it, AMAC. So we can see the map we just produced for AMAC from Geological Map of Abuja. If you need this shapefile of Abuja Geological Map as shown in this video, you can check the description box. So the Geological Map of Abuja shapefile is available. Thank you for watching.